Welcome to our deep dive into two automotive powerhouses, Hyundai and Toyota. Both brands are celebrated for their reliability, but each brings its unique flair to the table. Today, we're not just comparing, we're exploring what sets them apart in the grand tapestry of reliability and innovation. Buckle up as we unravel the nuances of Hyundai and Toyota. Zooming in on reliability. When we zero in on reliability, the competition heats up. Hyundai boasts a reliability rating of 4.0 out of 5.0, securing the fourth spot out of 32 car brands. Toyota, not far behind, also scores 4.0 out of 5.0 but is ranked 8th. This slight edge places Hyundai in a slightly brighter spotlight in the reliability arena. Cost of ownership and maintenance. Diving deeper into the cost of ownership, Toyota presents a more economical proposition with an average annual repair and maintenance cost of $441. This contrasts with Hyundai's slightly higher average of $468. While the difference might seem minor, it accumulates over the lifetime of the vehicle, influencing your long-term budget. Risk and warranty. The Hyundai advantage. But here's where Hyundai truly shines, its warranty offering. With a staggering 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, Hyundai stands tall, offering a level of assurance that's hard to beat. This compares favorably against Toyota's 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. Hyundai's 10% chance of severe damage, while lower than Toyota's 12%, highlights the brand's commitment to durability and customer satisfaction. Making the reliable choice. So, what's the takeaway? If you're swayed by warranties and a top-notch reliability rating, Hyundai might just be your best bet. Their commitment to quality and customer reassurance is evident in their warranty offerings. On the flip side, if you're looking for a brand with a proven track record and slightly lower maintenance costs, Toyota stands as a robust contender. While Hyundai assures longevity and impressive reliability, Toyota's reputation for enduring value and lower annual maintenance costs make it a wise choice for those mindful of long-term ownership expenses. Design. A clash of aesthetics. In the design arena, Hyundai embraces a modern, style-forward approach, infusing its vehicles with a contemporary edge. Toyota, meanwhile, opts for functionality, prioritizing practicality and timeless design over flashiness, appealing to a different set of preferences. Technological innovations. Technology is where Hyundai shines, packing its vehicles with the latest advancements and offering a more technologically enriched driving experience compared to Toyota's more traditional, yet solidly reliable tech offerings. Both brands, however, stand on equal footing regarding safety, ensuring their vehicles are fortified with advanced safety features. Fuel efficiency showdown. Fuel efficiency is a battleground where both brands excel. Hyundai's Ioniq Hybrid leads with a remarkable 59 mpg, closely tailed by Toyota's iconic Prius. It's a testament to both brands' commitment to eco-friendly driving solutions and a nod to the future of automotive engineering. Durability and off-road prowess. Hyundai's durability is commendable, leveraging high-quality materials to craft vehicles that stand the test of time. Toyota, however, is the undisputed champion of off-road capability, with models like the Tundra and Tacoma built to conquer challenging terrains, reflecting Toyota's deep-rooted legacy in robust vehicle design. Prioritizing safety. Hyundai versus Toyota. When it comes to safety, both Hyundai and Toyota are committed to keeping you secure on the road. Each brand integrates a suite of advanced safety features designed to protect you and your loved ones. Hyundai's vehicles come equipped with Hyundai Smart Sense, a cutting-edge package offering features like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and smart cruise control. Toyota responds with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision systems with pedestrian detection, lane departure alerts, and more. In the latest safety ratings, models from both brands consistently earn high marks, with vehicles like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and the Toyota RAV4 Prime receiving top safety accolades. It's clear that whether you choose Hyundai or Toyota, you're selecting a brand that places a high priority on safety, incorporating technology designed to prevent accidents before they happen and protect you if they do. Making the choice. So, where does this leave us? Choosing between Hyundai and Toyota is a matter of aligning with what matters most to you. Is it the cutting-edge tech and impressive warranty of Hyundai? Or do you lean towards Toyota's unmatched durability and lower maintenance costs? Both brands offer a compelling package, making the decision all the more exciting. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.